Hi there. In this video, we'll see how to use the where clause. So for the syntax of all the previous commands, you can go to this channel for Learnzilla and you can check all the videos on SQL Practical Guide. In this video, we'll start directly from where clause. So here we have select star from sales order, which is a table in my database. And here, when I execute this command, select star from sales orders, I can see all the rows in this table. Now, what if in my organization, let's say I'm working and my manager wants me to give me the data only for East and not for other regions. We see there are East, Central, West, and my manager wants me to only see the data for East region. How can I find that? So for that, we need to use filter. So where clause is just the replacement of filter in the Excel. So if I have to filter on amongst, so select star from sales order, this gives me whole data. But now we'll tell SQL, don't give me whole data, but give me only those rows where region equals to East. So that's the syntax. Now we'll see whether it's case sensitive or not, because in the data I can see it's written in small letters, but here in my command I have written this in caps. So here we can see only the letters, only the content matters and not the case. So it's not case sensitive. And now we can see all the rows which have region as East appears and rest all are filtered. What if my manager tells me, give me the data for all those who are in region East and they have worked on the item pencil? How to use two conditions or more than one condition in a SQL command. To use that, we have a thing called AND. So now we'll tell SQL, give me the data for those where region is East and item equals pencil. Okay, so let's see what magic happens. So now what happens is we got those 8 rows where the region is East and item is pencil. So that's how where clause works, and you can put as many commands, as many the requirements you get for this data by using AND clause, and single time you have to use where and use and there you can just put all the conditions which you need to apply on this data. Now there is also use of OR, where let's firstly see what is the total data in our data set. Now we want where the item is either pencil, no matter which region the person belongs to, we just want wherever the item is pencil or pen. And don't show us the data of binder, desk or anything else. We just need pen and pencil. So how to go for that? Item equals to pencil or. Now firstly I'll show you some. Now this will give me error. Just wait and watch. See, I have used where item equals to pencil or pen. Now this is giving me error. Why this error? Because SQL is not that intelligent. We need to tell it everything. What to look for pen. In which column it should look for pen. So we'll have, after using AND or, we again need to write or item equals to pen. We have to tell for each and every item. For each and every data we want to filter, either item is pencil or item is pen. So now the error is fixed. Let's run this and see what comes up. Awesome, we get pencil, pen. Now the thing is, we want all of the pens together and pencils after. How to do that? True, we can use order by. What we want to order? We want that all this data should be ordered by item, right? Order by item. So what order does is it does the sorting. It does the sorting on the field which we mentioned after order by. So we have used two things here. Where will filter the data, and to sort the data we use order by. Now by default this sorting is ascending. Let's see what happens. So what will come before, whether pen or pencil? Let's execute. See, all the pen are first and then pencil. Now if I use it the other way around, we get pencil first and pen later on, right? Now we can, it's not necessary to do this. We can also order this by total. We want, no matter what, how the pen or pencil comes up, we want that all the items should be listed on the basis of total. Let's write total. So DESC is descending, and by default it will show up ascending. So now we can see for items pen and pencils, we got all the totals with 575 first, then 539, and that's how it appears. So that's all about where clause and order by. Now let's step into some advanced thing. Let's go and try how to use multiple things, both and or. So here using and or all together in one condition. Let's say manager comes up and tells us to find the data where region should be east, but one can have pen or pencil, doesn't matter. How to do that? Region, or maybe let's go for the simple thing, both either east or west, and item equals to pen. So let's start from sales order. We want region could be east, or the region could be west, but we want that item should be pencil. No, so many errors. Why? Because now region equals to east or region equals to west, and item equals to pencil. So now this is just like the mathematical formula. Firstly it will see between these two or between these two, and then the item equals to pencil should be after this. What if we remove this? We do not use these parentheses. Now it doesn't know whether this whole thing is under the or just this thing. So that's why we use these parentheses to help the SQL command. Now let's execute this. And there we get the data for pencil, both under east and west. Thank you for watching. For more videos in SQL Guide, subscribe this channel.